Welcome back to iAngelBabyNails channel, and this time I'm going to be showing you guys how I do sugar nails. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook at iAngelBabyNails. Subscribe to our channel and make sure you hit that bell button to receive notifications on when I upload. Alright, so the first thing you would need is your practice trainer or your client. If you don't have a practice trainer, I will link one in the description below. You can get it from Amazon, you can get it from eBay, or even sometimes you can get it from your local supply store. But I will be linking in the description below. And then you're going to need 4 types of fine glitter. These 3 are custom made by me, and this one I got from Michael's. So this one is called Parks, and it is like a greenish dark green look. This one is called Bubblegum, and it is a neon pink. And then this one is a purple, which I call it Paradise. And then this one is by Michael's, and it's basically a clear. It's not a white. It looks white, but it's going to be a clear. And this one, if you don't have like a matching glitter or fine glitter, you can definitely use this to make that sugar nail pop out. Really close to the glitter. So this one I have, it's a neon pink. It's in the color Fuchsia Touch, and it's the number 643 by D&D. And this one is called Blue Violet, and it is a purple, and it's in the number 003 by D&D. And then this one is called Island Oasis, and this is the number 438. And this one is an OPI polish, and it is in the color Sun, Sea, and Sand in my pants. And I will link all these colors in the description below. LED/UV non-cleansed top coat. File it, whatever you are doing, but of course I'm just showing you how to do this design, so I'm just going to leave it like this. But make sure you are spraying some alcohol before you start, because you want to make sure you dehydrate the nails for the gel polish application. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is you are going to polish the nail first. You don't have to put such a thick layer. You can just put a thin layer as you go. And you guys, these sugar nails are like the most popular nails ever. Like when I first started my business, I definitely use this. Okay, and make sure the sides are cleaned up and everything. I'm gonna go with my Fuchsia Touch and the number 643. And then I'm gonna go in with this purple called Blue Violet in the color 003. Now these colors that I picked are very pigmented, so it's perfect for the sugar nail. But if not, you would have to keep adding different coats. Okay? And then And honestly, these sugar nails are so much better than polished that's glitter. Like honestly, I don't have that many glitter polishes that are in gel, because literally all my clients get the sugar nail. Okay. KIARA Sky one, and you are going to cure this for about 30 seconds only. Okay, and I'll be right back. Ready? So that is cured. So now we're gonna go in with the second coat. Honestly, I didn't need to do a second coat, but if you want, you can go ahead and do it. I'm just doing it for the purpose of this video. They're really pigmented. The orange one, maybe you will need another coat, but definitely not these ones. The reason why we put a color underneath it is because just in case the client, maybe they do a lot of work and then it does fade, because sugar nails does fade after a while. So but the glitter pigment is still on it, even though it fades. But I do like to put a color underneath it. Okay, so this is the second coat. Okay, I'm gonna cure this for 30 seconds and I'll be right back. And make sure you have your IBD top coat or any gel top coat you like, and then of course your glitter. So as you can see, this glitter and this polish are really similar, so very close, so we can use that one. Okay, so the first thing, we are going to take a gel polish and we are going to apply it all over the nail. Make sure you are getting on the sides, on the end, just about everywhere. Okay, and once that's done, we are going to make sure that your other nails are separated, because as you know, gel has that tacky layer and you don't want that the glitter getting stuck on that, because then it'll be hard to get off. Let me do it this way. Okay, so then you are going to literally just dab the glitter everywhere. You can take a cuticle pusher and you can dab it on the nail, but I like to do it this way because it literally gets all over the nail. Then what we're going to do is we're going to pat it down and you're going to tap the nail to get all the excess off. And of course you're going to have glitter on the cuticles or around. Don't worry about it, it won't stick. So then you're going to take your LED UV lamp and you are going to cure this for 60 seconds. Okay, so 60 or 90 seconds, that's how I like to use it. And I'll be right back when you finish curing. As you can see, all of it is gone from the cuticle, and look at that. That is so freaking pretty, guys. Okay, so let's go on the next one. You can take the excess and you can put it back into your container so you don't have to waste it. You're getting the slides and just about everything. Free edge. Okay, so now we're going to take the glitter. Tap it all over the nail. Tap it. pat it down so I can get into the polish. And then we're gonna cure it for 30 seconds. 60 seconds. Okay, and there's our pink one. And here is our turquoise. That's the name, turquoise. I meant to say turquoise. So right here. Okay, so now we're gonna go on this purple one and we're gonna put this excess back into the container. Make sure you get the sides, the free edge. And you do want to put a good amount of gel polish on it. Not too much, but not too little. And then go over the nail. Okay, and that was a perfect application. Just like that. And cure for 30 seconds. Why I keep saying 30 seconds? 60 seconds. Top coat. Okay. And then we're going to take this clear. It looks like white, but it's clear. And we're going to put it over the nail. And as you can see, it's going to come out a little white. And you're going to dust it off. And as you can see, you can still see that orange color. You're going to pat it. Okay, and then we're going to cure this for 60 seconds. And this is so beautiful because it has that glitter, you know, look to it, but it still keeps the color. Now this is the final look, and they look so pretty. It's basically 3D, and you will feel like a little rough, I guess roughness on the nail, but don't worry about it. It's just how it is. You can apply top coat if you like, but I don't like to apply top coat because it does take away the shininess from it, so I just leave it just like this, but it's completely up to you. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and see you next time on my next video.